Welcome back, spiritual gangsters. We're picking up from our conversation from last week and we're going deeper into the sacredness of S.3.X. Enjoy.
Hamba lapha eSmall Street, Smith Street, Ilop Street. Those are our Black sisters. Yabo sister la bantu bagqoke ikiti ezingakavezi amaphinti la bayathengisa 20 rand nje.
Nani niyathenga 20 rand.
Ngiyangithola nje nama-out ayathenga ngoba ukuthi kulinyelwe la. Manje kunesibongo siba nosiko. Uyazazi ukuthi ngeke uhambe uyothenga ngoba this thing exchanging energy. Uzocala ufunda ukuthi uzocala understand ukuthi through sex wonke ukuthwala kukhona involve sex. You understand ukuthi moya ku-sex
The power yakho.
You attack imimoya evela kwenye out ethwele mama misisi amna next umncane yama misisi.
Angithi abanye basigeza lapho vele.
Basigeza la manje uthwala umuntu ungenayo imisisi. Unfair. Ngcono uyothwala once. Uyibina le moya. Uma uthwala le moya le because I pleasure le 10 minutes. Because I pleasure 10 minutes. Uyothola umoya osindi indoda yahamba ngamama Viana ngama muthi komasa muthi khona.
Vele once now ngoba udlale nge-energy.
Ngoba udlale nge-energy. Ungenjalo ungadlaleli la.
Hey, ileyo nto esimazile also. Yeah, where we didn't understand this thing ki movula mongena ngaleyo chakra point leyo.
Uyolima.
Because angithi nokudliswa noku like you would sexual.
Ngiyangathi ngiya clinic la ngiva Romania. May so rest in peace. Ngiva clinic la.
He paused. Okay, sorry, we'll catch up.
Manje amasimile ngisameleni uyabuya. Yazi usangene kaDoctor ngila kuvela umuntu ozofundisa abantu. Yeah, le condom ifaka sona. You know what? In the same time ukela ngikhathazwa ukuthi ngivanye umuntu ongekho correct. Mafike ngifuna ukuthi wo nkunza umiyancane. Asilungiseni ukuthi wangamelanga ube nesex. Why nilungikhuluma ukuthi kumele wayibaleke nje makho ngathi it's a fun. As understand nini? Understand what is
it's an energy exchange.
It's energy exchange nenzani into amacheza ngekho correct. Awufundisa abantu ukuthi what is sex. Uyafundisa abantu ukuthi i-condom isetshenziswa kanjani. Abantu don't even know ukuthi sex is. Bayenza because of friction, because that is sex.
I never asked for the longest.
About how deep sex is. But because of friction and stuff.
Yo, wait, say time, love.
Exactly, that's what it is. That's what it. And then in the process we exchange my energy is also motion is easy. You understand? Motion goes out.
Now I was. Hey, it's back
target. Towards target. You want anywhere, anyhow. You understand? And so
yeah, that would be so nice as for like, especially these ones who are growing up now, because obviously like society, hey, like I'm a frequenter often, you know. Even though maybe we went through the same thing, but maybe we think it was milder, we don't know. Mara, if they can have such talks about little emergency, encourage you if you can make them understand bona lento kanje lenkonzo le inkonzo vela ke mphahlo serious yeah so hey everybody
uyakwazi ucreate ngayo and
yes I have
as much as you need to create into enkulu njengomuntu you create
anything you can manifest
so what create again mangabe siya singenalwazi you create into easy
yabona
that's why mafike danyani le ejele mafike bakutshela mawuhlina ama-outer wabuza uzokutshela ukuthi khona ithini mangilele naye angibhambi khona ithini mangilele naye ngiyaboshwa ama-out sayina deep nibe semoyeni lokhu khona ithini mangilele ngiskipele yamntwana ngiyoganga ayikawunyapopa le muntu abekanenhlanhla angazi ngamnike
mara I understand Thokozani, we had an interruption, our space got full, so I hope we can catch up. I think we were talking about energy exchange, sacredness of BEPS. Yeah. So Keisha, I think I don't know if you wanna pick it up from a Tanyana Machensi by Ringuti Mingbambelo. I think we can start from there, or we can start from basically we cover sister and then Kirnani Nyatenga. And then I was like, would be a great idea actually for the ones who are upcoming. So but shapa keep poverty. But what keep poverty anyway. Keep you back more to actually, you know, like instead of advising with hey melu shy low, you educate these kids who are like this is not something to play with. Yeah.
kahle kahle i-secret kangangokuthi njengoba sikhumbula ukuthi abogogo bethu abenza amaphutha yonke into abayibekile esithulile khona i-secret i-sex asicela from ama-out idanyana ejele ama-out akutshela ukuthi endoda mina khona itsheri bengimphethe ngapha kusho ukuthi akutshela kukhona itsheri bengiphethe yena ayindoda ngizoboshwa antsho njengoba ngilana namanje ngene ngithi ngaphatha ngishaya utshiro so and angazi angahlwanela naye njengoba usasho ukuthi kahle sawabona manager masawabona siyabona mara asiboni ukusho ukuthi next umuntu one ama-out number of outs senze ngithi idanyana phela ama-out ahlangene khona sema kuthiwa kwandoda emnyama kugcwele kuthini mfika amadoda and so ukhona interact namadoda amaningi
even on the streets also
okay isathuta xoxa ngazo idanyana into eningi xoxa ngazo because of nesikhathi esiningi ihlini valike not and so niyajula idanyana and so la esatini kubhizi ngiduma iphaphi la ngicabanga impodlela ngicabanga yonke isihlangahlanganisile
now you are real senikhuluma izinto zamampela
into ezenzekayo ngikhuluma izinto zokujula umhlaba wonke phela uvuma ukuthi ujule ejele ivumile kuningi chance ukuthi ujule abantu basejele bakwazi ukujula mara ke uthi manje naye ayina guidance uthi uyamisa manje ngoba kumele kwakujula kumele uguide ukuthi ujule yayo imali yonke ngifuna ukuthi i-secret ngakhona from dala bayibeka ukuthi before ulala nomuntu utho ukuthi umuntu okhona nishane for 4 years and for 4 years understand 4 years definitely umuntu uzowazi engayakhe ngalo 4 years bongathi umjupiti thina sasibona umjupiti ngoba yithi thina age ingene isichazwa isize ukuthi hayi kungazokuthetha ne 2 days ayifunile into esintime qale ngathi into azalandela qale ngathi ukuthi umele ukwazi ube nama trees okuginqa umntwana ukuthi aqome manje ne uqale ngathi
nasimosha cash
bonke lokuyalandela kahle thina sithola kwesisibethi basasine all kwesisibethi laba bashelwa for 12 months for 3 years sibabona ubone khona manhlaliza la ngisiyintwana siyabona
yazama le wale
igcine praise ngathi wow
yeah
Kulo umuntu for 3 years after ukuthi angakufaka ngisibona lento le beyikhona ke manje ngivuka ukuthi sex besihloniphe bongasinto eyokudlala ngoba ukwazi ukuthi ijulile hence before kiwa kuyo kumele kuhlanganiswe amadlozi because of umuntu amaninzi uzidlala let's alone ukuthi uwaqe unomeqo or unesichitho or uthatha energy yomunye umuntu sisazoxoxa ngayo ukuthi ngoba sonke
isixhobo ukhuluma about like mo double phakathi
kwabantu ukudala abantu babona uthatha energy yomuntu man let's alone level umuntu
and I like it how they show in movies mara asi yabo mara now ke wayizwa ukuthi isinda kanjani like mongandlula phakathi kwabantu abahamba boyithu yasisida
or one odlula phakathi kwethu understand
nama ngizwane dabla
yona inyama energy exchange iflow and so umuntu ke let put aside onke lama energy watholayo evil wakuchithana nathi wena
uhamba ngithi abanye
uhamba nomodlo zakhe energy wona odd khona komunye umuntu ayoba i-bad energy before eyohlangana kumele icala ihlanganisa imbuzi iqala ukuthi nina nabantu basinzo understandana manje because of ngamadlozi odwa ngokuhlangana kwenzonzi clash inzonzi igura ama energy inawachayisana before nihlangana kumele nje ubona idlozi isibongo sifaka isithakazelo sesilwane khona nature ilwane isozi ngachayisana it's most likely ukuthi one isithakazelo sesilwane so you are most likely ngachayisana so before nizohlanganisa nina khona into ezenziwayo balance yayini nela nihlanganisa iguni uhlanganisa afe wabhalisa omunye igwazi omunye ushisa omunye ngamanzi omunye uduku nomunye endlini nahlanganisa ingazange balance izinto ingazange kwenza ama-all yonke into azenzeki because of sihamba enisa yonke into yenzeka because of there's a law of cause and effect there's nothing yenzeka without a cause
I wish I knew this knowledge earlier Shem
and so Tina
udlala Kalitech is not nice it's not freedom it's not asiboclever
bokumele vele udlule la siwazokutshela litshela
because you create ngalento lena
and igeneration ebalekile ka 2012 uza so I understand iyo engathi vele okay right now
hayi bashi
2000 njanja mara izikhona ezinye mara manje
kuzalwa amadlozi bashi
ngahle kahle so nazo ngoba uphethe idlozi ungenantshayela kuba ikhelele hence mele azi ukuthi uphethe idlozi mara uhamba uyashaya so hlanganisa amadlozi uqala ledlozi liphela understand and so it's important bathole information so it's important no hence ngithi kufanele udlule la because kumele wenze shows zona zidluli la ngoba if bongadlulwa ngala bonyeke kwenze shows zona zidluli la and so zona definitely kumele zidlula ngoba it's important ukuthi uphethe idlozi uthola knowledge teaching nje knowledge is everything and no need uthola ngokuthi
Marile displacement ke because a lot madlozi wethu amanye akugezwanga akhuphulwanga
mara understand ngithi accept ukukhumbula i-chemistry teaching isifundisa ukuthi everything nje kumele ibe ngayo. There's nothing wrong. When just be one time with nature. Nature nokhona uyazi-adjust. Yonke isihlahla lesi isigoba senaso ongasasistanga. Nawe loku mina utho ukuthi idlozi lami kubanibani Mkhulu sangazi lokho libanibani bashodana. Lokho hamba izinto ku-adjust yona yazi-adjust. That's why bakutshela ukuthi umuntu
but it's changing in the way.
Exactly. That's why bakutshela ukuthi mandlozi lakho li-aligned. Uba imiliyoneri like if kanjani abantu bathwala because of
Ukulakhisile bothi uthola ama energies kubuthu you might as well uthwale ke ngoba uthole inzwathi yakhe mara awuna for friction.
Friction yawenza friction awuna wazi ukuthi friction le exchange ama energy and wonke umthwalo uhamba nesela lo uthi mangabe ithwali inyoka yakhe
ubheke also like more phupha like thobalano or like you like make ne isichitho nani it will always represent also ka sex.
Understand wonke umthwalo khamba ngakho khona umuntu othi makabulele ngifica imdawo ugeza wenzini
bese mele aye esamiti yebo
wena ukushaya esamiti lapha mishiya lesinyama lesi
that's why like sensitive blind khehla ngalama cherry la ba right ukuthi no out time yona every Friday iya esamiti because abanye ingabi babang bageza la bese yo
understand uzumkhala nokhala uzwabusa sister akuthe ukuthi mina ngibheka icathu mabitso wakhe zismart uyangishaya ngibheka icathu nebhandi ngithi lo muntu ukuthi awuthi icathu nebhandi uyawazi manje wona ndani yo sekaphuma ezinyilone la xakile
yeah
la icathu ayiphathu kodwa uthi ungathengisa umzimba wakhe impilo yakho icathu lo uyagula ekhanda wena uma ulusisi luyagula ngamampela wamela the reflex ke kodwa la uma kodwa it's a lack it's sign of lack of knowledge lack of teaching
lack of knowledge
that's
why nami ngiyasho ukuthi like I wish I knew some of the things
ubona bafirst bas ayisenze assimilation yabo bathi assimilation kuphela assimilated wena sazi ukuthi beauty lento yabo kasi original
I saw a lovely post actually in the week ukuthi like we judge beauty still based on a European standard. If I get called enough so because now this guy Konsu somebody on Facebook, but he was sharing like the most beautiful woman back then, like unali coiled hair and whatnot. And ori ngiyanazi nina ukuthi ngizoreact ngizothi this person is not beautiful because nisacabanga in a European way. Marakesha. Sure.
Mara in all game ngale exchange ama energy. Uyona i-danger applying yibalekile lenze ngisho ukuthi when we need to ukufundisa abantu yona it's very very dangerous ukuhambukile into kumele ukwenze sure ukuthi yasigada yafika yonke mara ke ile hayi
I know. I think we spoke so much. Thank you so much. I wanted to apologize, but I can't apologize. It's how he expresses himself. But yeah, we will. Yeah, I did say, please teach us your languages. Let's do a talent exchange because his news are very delicious when he's talking in his native Kasita. Yeah, the Kasita, you know. And yeah, so yeah, those who, but like a message, it's a vibration. If it's supposed to find you, it will find you. If not, you know, somewhere, like I'm not very well versed in Chovito, but I can understand, I can make sense of what he's saying. So I hope some other points did deliver, but yeah, there's a lot you spoke about. We'll probably split this episode in a couple of pieces. Yeah, because we covered a couple of things. And yeah, you know, with sometimes conversation is just flowing. I'm sure so editor, but I'm glad we're actually having this conversation just before Lomsang and Lozayo. Look for my ex in my baby. You know, so I want to have
ex lo
kuzithakathi
lo ex lo nabasanyisa bomgogobithi ukuthi
lo mhlaba uhambe nge-ex
so lo ex nomfaka
ongasolve
wonke ama-case abawakhipha le-parliament azokuyela ma umfakanga lo ex bayeke singavuka sibayeke ne-politics yabo.
You see guys, even my friends are problematic.
Problematic
bazosisi irresponsible. But no, yeah, so these are the conversations that we're gonna have. But yeah, we'll see you guys after the break. This episode will probably launch after the break. Will probably be our first banger. Yeah, guys, the concentration camp. But we're gonna have, I think we'll take the sacred energy exchange. We'll do that on Sacred Connections on Thursdays. where he likes expressing himself sometimes like that. The other time we say this knowledge is so delicious. It's 10 times better than an orgasm. Yeah, 100 times better than an orgasm. So yeah, he's got Rebo seasoning yanama, yeah. Hey, yeah, this baby when we are in the hibernation period. But yeah, this is just purely for educational and you know what, knowledge sharing. Let us expand our minds. Let us think. Let us labona as a people. We got so much work to do. Like Orotwara more there's this, Orotwara more there's this. So there is a lot to do. But thank you so much for those who are able to hear the message, deliver the message. Please, if this is something that resonated with you, please comment there, engage with us in the comment section, even if you want to say of each or whatever it is. But yes, Siyabonga so much, Uncle Maat. Love and light to everybody.
So